How to fix your iPhone is findable, but it's not charging. So if you've drained the battery on your iPhone and the device won't power on, this is usually because you've completely drained the battery. Now, don't worry, as there are a couple of things we can do to go and fix this issue. So the first thing you want to try doing is grabbing your charging cable, and you're just going to plug your iPhone directly into the wall outlet for around about 30 to 60 minutes. Now, because the battery is completely dead, it will take longer to go and power on. So just leave it on charge for 30 to 60 minutes and you can try check to see if it turns on. Now, if it's still not working, there may be some dust or debris that's stuck in the charging port on your phone. So what you can do is go and grab a small object like a toothpick and you can try cleaning the bottom of your iPhone. You can also try using compressed air as well and just make sure the charging port is free from any dust or debris. Now once you've done that, place your iPhone on charge again, but this time try using a different charging outlet. So if it's currently plugged into the wall, then what you can do is try plugging your iPhone into one of your laptop or computers instead. And once again, leave it on charge for around about 30 minutes. Now, if it's still not working, you'll need to go and perform a power cycle on the device. So with the phone plugged into the charger, you need to go and quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the power button on the right hand side of your phone. Now continue to hold the side button for around about 45 seconds. Eventually the screen will go completely black. Continue to hold the button down. After about 10 more seconds, you should see the Apple logo appear. You can then release this button and restart your iPhone, and that should have fixed the issue where your iPhone is not charging and it's stuck on the iPhone is findable screen.